In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Chrome tabs to Brave. If you're moving from Chrome to Brave and want a seamless transition, this walkthrough will help you bring over the essentials so you can keep browsing without missing a beat. Start by opening the Brave browser. Once Brave is up, look to the upper right corner of the window for the main menu icon. Depending on your version, it appears as three horizontal lines. Click that to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where Brave stores all the options for managing your data, preferences, and browser features. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Import Bookmarks and Settings. This tool is designed to pull in your information from another browser, and it does the heavy lifting for you in just a few clicks. Go ahead and select it. You'll now choose the Chrome data you want to import. Brave gives you control here, so you only bring over what you actually need. For most people, the core items are browsing data, favorites or bookmarks, and extensions. Browsing data usually includes your history and related site info, which helps Brave understand where you've been and, in many cases, lets you pick up your sessions more naturally. Favorites or bookmarks bring over your saved sites and folders, so your go-to pages are right where you expect them. Extensions cover the add-ons you rely on. Keep in mind, not every Chrome extension will work identically in Brave, but because Brave is Chromium-based, many will carry over or have a compatible version. Make your selections based on what you want to keep. If you're optimizing for a clean start, you might limit it to bookmarks and only the extensions you truly use. If continuity is the goal, bring in all three so Brave can closely mirror your Chrome experience. When your choices look right, click Import. Brave will process your request and apply the data. This typically takes just a moment. After it's done, your bookmarks should appear in the bookmarks bar or the bookmarks menu. Your browsing data will inform recommendations and history, and your extensions that are compatible will be available to manage in Brave's extensions area. That's it. You've opened Brave, navigated to Settings, used Import Bookmarks and Settings, selected the Chrome data to bring across, and clicked Import. With these steps, you've set up Brave to feel familiar from the start, saving time and helping you stay focused on what you were doing in Chrome, now in Brave.